Leak repairs. How to fix copper and PVC pipe using SharkBite slip fittings. Has a winter weather pipe freeze or pipe burst caused a stressful plumbing situation? Or maybe you found a leak in an older plumbing system. The traditional repair method for pipe leaks requires 2 fittings and a section of pipe to make the repair. With SharkBite slip repair fittings, you can remove and repair up to 2 inches of damaged pipe using a single fitting, and you don't need any additional pipe. Just slide the fitting onto the pipe and slip the fitting back to make the connection. To get started, identify if the pipe you are using is copper or PVC. This type of fitting will only work on those 2 types of pipe. Cut and remove up to 2 inches of the damaged pipe. Ensure the pipe is cut as cleanly and squarely as possible. Be sure the pipe is free of scratches and debris. If you are handling copper pipe, remove any sharp edges or burrs. Next, use your SharkBite depth and deburr tool to measure and mark the insertion depth on your pipe. You can find the insertion depth chart on SharkBite.com. Slide the slip end of the fitting onto the pipe as far as it will go. Using a SharkBite disconnect clip or tong, press the release collar on the slip end and slide the fitting back over the adjoining piece of pipe until you reach the insertion depth mark you just made. Be sure not to slide past the depth mark. Now, turn on your water and check the connection. The range of SharkBite slip repair fittings includes couplings, tees, adapters, ball valves, and pressure regulating valves. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable.